Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today for unboxing and review I have FastCap edge trimmer. Let's unbox it, see what inside. Two simple review, and I prepared a melamine OSB board with melamine type edged. So edge trimmer we are using, if you can see here, this edge bending a little bit thicker than the board. They made it purposefully in order to we can cut it straight flush with the board. So edge trimmer double side will cut this extra part from this edge, and we will have flush and a nice edge bended OSB board. So we will try it, see how well it works, because it advertised that has good quality. So I have bought it from eBay. I paid in auction about $22, but real price on their web page is from $40 to $50. So you can go to eBay, look for it, take part in auctions and buy cheaper 10 in official website, or wait for some sale and so on. Okay, I put the here we can see it. This is FastCap brand. They are making many handy tools. I have types from them, other similar things. I will suggest to go to their website and look for the products. I'm not sponsored from FastCap. I just like some of their tools, so I'm suggesting. Let's see. They are showed a picture that we can in this way use this edge trimmer. Size trims from 1 to 1/4 inch. Let's see, no spring attached. So I have another one, Chinese one, which comes between this. I will show later, with springs. When you push it, springs unpush. So here, 30-degree blade for cleaner cuts. You will see how it clean cuts. Great feature. Blade lasts 5 longer than carbon steel. I remember that they, in their web page, they advertised 10 times longer than regular carbon steel. After some use, I can come back with another review and share my opinion. Is it real or not? Trim all direction, back and forth, I think. Super smooth action, trim size, FastCap comb, and that's it. Let's open it and see what we have inside. In other Chinese version, here there are 2 springs. As I see here, this is some type of rubber ring here and here, and you can see, interesting, it's like spring loaded. You can see, push and push. Here these blades, some oil on it, I will clean. I can use both sides. So when they're advertised in both directions, they mean that I can go cut in this direction, both in this, because we can see here on both sides there's special this part, this cutting part. What about plastic? Plastic feels strong. Hope it will last long time. As with blades, I can see they are very thick, nice made. Here you can see. I'm buying a similar tool, Chinese one, about $5-7 with extra knife set, and cutting each with them about 200-300 meters. This regular paper melamine edges. So we'll see, is it worth to pay extra money, or it is better to buy 3-4 Chinese one and every 200 meter throw it away, or just pay $1-2 and buy these extra knives for Chinese one, or it is better to use this FastCap or other similar brands. Why I will choose this? If they will cut easier, faster, cleaner. So how I can figure out, I will cut here and we will see how clean it cuts. As well, there is a complicated part here. When I am cutting from here to here, it goes this part which not uncutted and can damage and broke here if it is not sharp and so on. So I will try that moment too. Let's see how it cuts. First cut on this. They are promising smooth action on both sides. So let's try this side. We put here like this. Just push till the size of the board, and that. Just a moment, I cannot go forward. Let's try from the middle. No. Let's try in this direction, because that one not cut it at all. Finally it cuts. Let's see what we have. I can't say this is my first cut, it goes smoothly. Maybe it because of I'm using it first time, should be used for some time to find out the proper way to use it. As you can see, it's not fully smooth because some tears here, but in general it's nice because I will sand this part with sandpaper, and this moment you can see it damaged, so I need to glue this part again, or edge this part, then that part, cut them, then edge this part, then cut. It's more time. So I hope that because I'm using it first time, the reason for this bad cut is that because with Chinese one I can cut much more cleaner to this problematic size. Let's try again in this direction. Yes, I can say that it's cut clean. The only problem is this part. I think it's because of the shape of this plastic part. So after some use I will say for sure, but now you should edge this part, cut, edge this part, cut, then these two parts. In general, I am aging all 4 parts because it's much faster and easier than cutting edges. So let's try it in this direction. Again, it is not cutting smoothly, the action I mean, but it cuts quite clean. Hope this clean cut will last long time and the blade will be sharp for a long time, because this is very similar to paper. This is not hard plastic, PVC or other things to cut it with difficulty. So cutting this simple paper aged, it should last very long time, I hope, because Chinese, as I mentioned, goes for 200-300 meters. So that's it. I will use on PVC edges also, and for some time later, when I will have some experience to use it, I will come back and share my final thoughts about this FastCap edge trimmer. Hope this is useful video for you. Feel free to ask questions. Thank you.